All right, everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Ron's World. Yeah, this is Tech Blog number 3, and this deals with AMD because AMD tried to pull a fast one. With the rise of the FSR Fidelity FX Super Resolution by AMD, this option is selected in certain games that will help generate super high quality edges and distinctive pixels, details, upscaling imagery to super resolution, resulting in experience that improves performance while minimizing the impact of visual fidelity. Four different presets are available ranging from ultra quality to performance, each offered a fine-tuned balance between frame rates and visual clarity in certain games. But while getting excited and focused on FSR, AMD has decided to cut support on many GPUs and APUs from the AMD Radeon HD 7000 series to the Fury series, since they're drilling in 2152 that supports the latest GPUs. The list is deep, so I will be putting the supported article in the description below. We are in a GPU shortage, and a lot of PC users still use old hardware for regular PC usage. I was looking for the R9 3900X 8 GB for my needs, by AMD cutting support on old GPUs and APUs. This hurts the market even more because it forces normal PC users to upgrade to the latest and newest software just for doing simple tasks such as surfing the web, Skype to family members, or simple office or and business work. The main focus was on FSR as viewers worldwide became more intrigued to get our minds to focus on one thing while AMD was doing another. Post your comments below on AMD decision to end supports on their Radeon HD 7000 series, Fury series, and to some of their mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.